Imagine yourself in this Kia 2018 Stinger GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.